From iShowSpeed getting swatted live on stream, and Fauci being taken to a mental institution, to Vitaly beating a girl and ending up in jail, this is the best of streamers getting arrested.
Hey, how you doing? You alright? Come here real quick. Just turn around real quick, I'll explain. You're not in any trouble.
What the heck?
Come to the back.
Yo, bro. Hey.
Hold on, I'll tell you why.
Hey, what's going on?
Let's go talk. We're here to talk.
Hey,
I'll tell you why. Good.
Whoa,
On August 8th, 2024, these officers responded to a threat involving the streamer iShowSpeed. When they arrived, they placed him in handcuffs as they began to assess the situation.
Let's go. What did I didn't do nothing though.
No,
we're going to explain it.
Explain it. Can you take a minute, listen? Someone in your name called. Hear me out. You ready?
What did I do, bro?
You're gonna listen to me?
He's trying to explain it to you.
Yeah, we're gonna explain to him.
back a little bit.
Hey. We're filming too.
Bro, I didn't. Yo, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Let's
I
talk to
swear
him
I didn't
away
do
from
nothing, bro. Chill.
Away from
I
this
didn't
guy.
And we are going to explain.
Meanwhile, his cameraman was talking to the officers and explained them what swatting is.
I'm just his cameraman. That's all I am. But he was in Miami. Same thing happened to him last night. There's something going on right now. They swat. It's a thing that people do. They find that his address has been leaked.
Well, somebody got killed doing that. Now,
Yeah.
where was that? That was.
That's why he's freaking out. Because he knows.
An officer informed iShowSpeed that they received a 911 call from an individual claiming to be him, who stated that he intended to harm himself and his family.
Someone called the 911 center and said, with your name, that you wanted to hurt your family and hurt yourself. So we came to make sure you're okay.
All right, just listen to me.
Okay.
I am a popular streamer. I am a YouTuber. Okay.
Come on.
I have 10. Let me talk.
So guess what?
Okay.
If
Hold on.
you're
Wait.
good, you may be out of these cuffs, but
Okay.
relax.
Okay.
We're on your side.
All right.
We're here to make sure you're not going to harm yourself. Right?
All right.
Now,
just-
people
all right.
dox people, right?
Oh yeah. All right.
Okay,
So
so
look,
maybe that's
let me
it.
talk. Okay.
Come
I am a popular streamer. I have 10 million subs. You know what a streamer is, right?
Sure, I guess.
You know what a streamer is. Yeah. You ever heard of a streamer SWAT or whatever?
Okay, you got him? Hold this on. Yeah.
They're probably upset, jealous, or something like
Yeah.
that.
No, there's just trolls. Like it's just common trolls.
Well, this was pretty serious.
I know, but it's a call.
That's why we got to do our job.
An officer tried to talk with Speed's mom, but she wasn't having it.
You his mom?
Please, they prank at my house.
Are you
like
his
I-
mom?
Yes,
Okay,
they prank our house all the time.
Okay. Well, let us figure it out.
Oh my God,
we were
y'all,
concerned.
this got to stop. No, y'all taking my son over.
No, we're not
People
taking
that keep
him.
pranking my son.
Well-
y'all got him in handcuffs right now.
Well,
Y'all
we're going to
gonna
make
get
sure he
down
doesn't
for
want to harm
this.
himself.
No, he ain't gonna harm himself.
All right,
We're in our house
we'll be
right
there.
now. People keep pranking my house.
Well, you need to explain it to me so we can investigate it properly.
Really?
Please, come here. I'm on your side. I got 5
Let me
kids.
calm.
Okay,
Hold on.
calm down first.
'Cause you got
Then
my
talk to
son in handcuffs for no reason. Right
Well, because people were calling saying he wanted to kill you. I don't know if you knew that.
No.
But we didn't know that. Yeah, they called and said he had a gun and wanted to kill his
now.
mother
No,
and
he
dad.
ain't no guns. Ain't.
Well, come talk to us so we can let him out of cuffs.
He
But
about to go with us.
But because of school shootings, we take it
I
serious.
understand that he's not about to kill nobody. He's just constant.
Why you wearing sweatpants?
Too hot for that today.
So, but you need to understand, it's our job.
Yeah, and I get that, but I'm trying to explain to y'all, but y'all keep asking like, why did it happen? And I'm telling y'all.
No.
make sure you're under control, then we
What I'm
figure out
trying to
what's
tell
going
you is what was said.
Yeah.
So, what was said to us was that there's someone,
Yeah.
you,
And I get that,
that was going to kill their
I
entire
understand
family with a
that.
Glock
Yeah, I
19.
understand. Yes.
As the officers proceeded with their investigation, they determined the call was likely a false report made by someone impersonating Speed. After establishing that there is no credible threat to Speed or his family, the officers removed the handcuffs and provided an explanation for their response.
Sorry.
Oh, y'all good. I mean, it's all good. So what do y'all recommend moving forward besides?
On August 23, 2023, Miami police responded to a hotel where a man had called 911 and claimed to be held at gunpoint in his hotel room.
Somebody called him and threatened him. So the guy, the client, someone called him on the phone and threatened him. So he's like scared of his life, but then he's calling you guys like, oh my God, I'm coming to Miami. He's doing something. I think he's a little off a little bit. You guys want to still talk to him?
The caller was later identified as a famous streamer known as Fauci. Apparently, Fauci was receiving threat calls on the hotel phone from someone threatening to find him and his family. The police detained him as they thought he was going through a mental episode. Watch what happened next.
Fucked up, man. 75,000 people watching. You guys
Okay.
fucked
So
up.
who is this person that you said?
I'm not
exactly-
talking to you anymore. I need a lawyer.
You're not arrested. You're gonna get big right then.
Yeah, but you guys are you guys just fucked up in front of 70. I swear to God, on my mother's life. I'm a good person. I'm a civilian. I'm sober. I'm changing the world. I have more eyes on me than the president has on this country. The kids are listening to me. Andrew Tate invited me to Romania. I'm a chosen messenger. Y'all just arrested me. You don't know what you just did.
Like I said, you're not
My life was
arrested.
in danger.
You're going to get big right, dude.
What?
You're going to get big right, dude. You're going to the mental facility, okay?
Why?
It's going to happen. Because you're not clearly there. Episode.
What about the guy who called me?
Before or after you?
Right. You hear the guy on the phone? That no, because viral with right now. You're getting fired. You're getting fired.
They've been saying for years.
I swear to God, you're getting fired. Allah, you're on the law, son of Allah, you're getting fired.
Okay. I don't believe it, but you can do whatever you want.
You don't know what you did tonight. You're the most influential man in America. 7.8 million. I signed a $77 million cake brand deal today, just for my live stream. You just arrested the most famous man in America.
How you act?
Yes, you my life's in danger. He said he's gonna slit my mom's throat. You arrested the wrong guy. Wallahi, you're fired. Wallahi, you're fired.
Apparently, Fauci thought flirting with the cops would help him, but not in this case.
Weapons? Nothing that can hurt me?
I got a big it could hurt you a lot. I'm gay. 9 inches. Is that on body cam? I'll you so good till you love me. Is that on body cam? Make that go viral. Y'all up tonight. Y'all up tonight. I'm looking at you in the eye and telling you, you know you did. You know. Your friends don't know. You know.
Fauci was taken to a mental institution where he got the help he needed, as the constant harassing was taking a toll on his mental health. He is now back to streaming.
Aiden, it's Miami Police. I need you to step out. Okay, step out with your hands up.
On August 8, 2022, a popular streamer known as Aiden Ross faced a swatting incident during a live stream in his Miami apartment. A prank caller falsely reported him, prompting a response from over 12 police officers.
Aiden, you're not in the shot. You're not in your hands.
Guys, listen, I got swatted. I'm a streamer. I swear.
Okay, step out. Step out. Okay, Aiden, step out. Step out.
I got you. Listen.
Just don't stay open. Aiden, keep going. Aiden, keep going.
Sorry.
Aiden, keep going. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. Round.
Please, I'm not.
Aiden complied with their instructions and expressed concern about his girlfriend that fell asleep upstairs.
Swatted, please don't shoot her, please, bro. Please, I'm begging.
You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be okay.
No,
You're
listen,
gonna be
I
okay.
saw someone die over a swat. Please
We
don't.
understand. There's not gonna happen here.
Guys, please, I got
I
swatted.
gotta watch. Just watch the moment. I got you.
No, bad, man. Please, I swear, I'm a streamer, bro. I'm a YouTuber. Like, I'm not about it. Please, they're gonna. My girlfriend's sleeping upstairs, bro. Please, she'd be so scared. She might react back. Please, I'm begging you.
I got him right here. I got him
Please,
right
I'm begging you, man. Please, my girlfriend's. Please, Marquez, please, bro. I'm begging you. Like, my girlfriend's sleeping. No, she might react bad, bro. I mean, they might shoot.
Relax. They're gonna make sure everything's good, and we're good.
I swear. I know. I got swatted. You know what that is?
Yeah.
It's not real, bro.
The officers, along with paramedics, secured the scene, ensuring the safety of Aiden and his girlfriend. He cooperated during the interrogation, clarifying everything. Once it was confirmed there was no threat, they were cleared to leave without harm.
I know you guys are here and you're prepared to like.
Bro, go on the stream now. Put us on blast.
I'm sorry, I'm not. Were you guys walking with the camera on?
Yeah.
Oh, they're gonna.
No, we're good.
Hey, I'm sorry, guys. I mean, I just want to let you guys.
We just want to make sure
You
everybody.
guys did the right thing. Like, it's live. Yeah, that's why they did it, guys. I had 100,000 in there, guys. It's gonna go viral. Yeah. You guys are all gonna be over on TikTok.
Did you explain the way the call came up? Did you explain to them the way the call came up? We got a call that a
I
female
know,
shot.
I know. It's gonna happen, guys. It's leaks that I live here. It's just gonna happen a lot.
Aiden's composed demeanor and the professional approach of law enforcement prevented complications in what could have been a volatile scenario. On August 1st, 2021 in Virginia, These police officers had a warrant on a famous streamer known as Chris Chan. What was supposed to be a simple arrest turned into something unexpected.
For a second.
What's the situation?
What's that? You got a warrant for your arrest, all right? Yep. Yep.
Okay.
You're not gonna stop. You're not gonna do that. You're not fight. You will get tased.
Okay. Well, listen. I will comply, but I'd like to clear up my. I'd like to come back to my things.
We'll get that all straight. Yeah, we'll get it all straight.
And what about my van? And I'd like to put my shoes on, please.
Yeah, sure, of course. We'll get there.
Okay. I can slip into my shoes. Magic Chan, Chriselle, Savannah.
The officers received reports of some very disturbing allegations against Chris, but nothing could have prepared them for what's next.
Here.
Okay, I will sit down.
Okay.
My shoes.
Where are your shoes? Right here?
Right over there.
Is there anyone else in the room with you?
Is there anybody else in the room?
Spirit, well, interdimensionally, you can't tangibly see
A
them.
physical person. Is there a physical person in the room with you?
Originating from this universe, no. I need to stand with my shoes on. I have any such time going this way. I am complying. And that's my son. That's my set keys over there.
Your keys to your car?
Keys to the van, and yeah, my wallet's in my bag over there, the brown bag.
What? This bag?
Yes.
Can I look in it?
And drop something. Oh, that's one of my rings.
I know. Can I look through? Can I get your bag out of your?
I have nothing to hide. Go ahead and look through everything that's in the room.
Go ahead and look at everything that's in the room.
Go ahead. You have my permission.
Okay.
Just slip them on. They're gonna give you flip-flops when you get down to the jail.
Okay, well, I identify as female, and I would appreciate if I was respected as such. It even says so on my driver's license, female.
Okay,
that's fine.
Just making sure.
With the arrest warrant confirmed, the officers were ready to move Chris to the police vehicle.
All right.
May I have my earpiece tucked behind my ear, just please?
Yeah, we can take care of it.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I do.
The officers noticed some people watching from the distance and asked Chris about it.
You don't know any of these people?
I do not know those people, and
Okay.
yeah, those are trolls. They're following me from the internet. Do not report this. Christian, what's up? They
Don't.
follow.
Where'd you see him at? Regency.
I'm going.
the ball?
I'm complying. I am complying. I am good like this. And I am Chris Chan Sanchu, your goddess blue heart, and I continue to stand strong, and I maintain everything with Quickfill and my sign shoes and rose shoes and everybody.
You're lost about 3,000 people right now.
While Chris maintained a positive attitude, the officers couldn't help but be confused at all the attention.
Not risking.
Well, it's offering you the option there.
What the heck is going on right now? This is freaking weird. This is the most wild call for service I've ever been on.
Chris Chan was taken to the Central Virginia jail and held without bond after being charged with incest. On August 8, 2023, 2 years after the arrest, the charges were dismissed.
Assuming on me.
Your boy can stay back there.
On April 12, 2020 in Florida, a girl was out jogging when a man, later identified as a famous YouTuber Vitaly, attempted to hug her. Uninterested, the girl told him to leave her alone. The YouTuber responded by tackling her to the ground, straddling her, and punching her in the head, face, and body.
Hey, let me get another cup, bro. I gotta take this shit.
Case number 29235.
Yeah.
Is he being arrested?
Guys, he's not. I'm sorry, guys.
As he was being taken to jail, he informed the officer that he was on drugs.
Are you sick? No. So why do you keep coughing?
What's up?
Why do you keep coughing?
Because I'm a mushroom.
Because you're what?
I'm a mushroom.
A mushroom?
Yeah.
That makes you cough? Oh, I didn't know that was a side effect.
I lost everything I had.
Okay, come on. You're all right. Relax. I'll get you some water. Okay, come here.
Oh my gosh,
Come here.
I lost everything.
You didn't lose everything. Yes. Yes, here. Let me see. Put your hands here. Check it out, see? I'm gonna put them in the front. You gotta leave your mask on though.
Okay, I'm sure.
Mask has to go on. Put it over your face.
Okay, so can you listen to, do you know me?
Do I know you? No.
No, do you know me? Like,
Here, put this hand in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Put it in. Put it
I
in.
want to tell you something.
What's up?
No, I'm serious. I want to tell you something.
All right, walk with me, please.
My brother.
I'm gonna turn the air on and everything. That way you got some air.
Yeah,
Come on.
No,
You can talk.
I'm listening.
I'm listening.
I love you, man.
Okay.
No,
Listen.
I'm serious. Like,
It's okay. You made a mistake. It'll be all right. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna leave this open.
this is
Here.
bro. I'm not running. You don't need it, bro.
All right.
Yeah, but I want to talk to you.
That's
you
fine.
Do you have time for me?
Yes, if you step in there. I got you. Let me go get the keys so I can turn this van on.
No, I'm sorry. Wait, hold on. Where are you going?
I gotta get the keys so I can turn the van on.
What?
The keys so I can turn
For what?
the van. The one you're in.
What?
What you're in.
Where you going?
I'm gonna turn it on so you get air.
After several minutes of talking, Vitali asked the officer if he was on drugs too.
Are you tripping?
No,
No.
you're tripping.
I know, but I want to talk to you, man.
I'm listening.
Sorry again. Okay, so listen to this. This is very important. I need to see you told me you're getting water.
Yes, I'm gonna get you some water.
Thanks, brother. Listen to this. You know me?
No, I don't know you.
Vitaly.
No, I know, but I don't know you.
You heard about me?
No.
Okay, so I'm super. I want to try to tell you this. First of all, I don't know why I wanted to attack this girl for no reason. No one's gonna forgive me about this.
Vitali was taken to jail and charged accordingly.
But cover it.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.